Hello, Casey Stubbs here. I am doing a training on how to double your account. You're going to want to check it out. I want to show you a trade using the exact method that I'm going to be teaching. So, right now, let's take a look at the SPX, which is the trade that I took yesterday. All right, now, let's go do a quick review. I start with the daily time frame, and I like to identify key levels and the trend. So how do I do that? I use moving averages, right? So if it's above the 10, the 50, and the 200, I'm looking for buy setups. And then the next thing I like to look for is levels. So right here, you can see we're popping up above the 10 moving average on the daily. We're a clear uptrend, and we have this key level right here that was tested many times. Over here it was resistance, and then it became support, support, support. Was tested multiple times in here. Okay, and so that's really all I need, but the secret to growing your account quickly is to use the proper money management. So what I did, this particular trade I made $10,000 on. Let me show you how I like to do it. I will go in and I find that level and I put my stop right below the key level. So right here we were able to get a very tight stop loss, and then once I'm in profit a little bit, I close part of the trade. I closed this into 3 sections. Section number 1 was closed right here. Why? Because that was the first resistance. Section number 2 was closed right here, was the third resistance. And then I lock in profit. Okay, I lock in profit. Well then, once that happened, I put my take profit and I just slowly trailed the stop loss. And so for trade number 1, I made about $1,000. Trade number 2, I made $2,000. And then for the last trade, it actually hit my profit around $7,000 for a total of $10,011 on one trade. Not bad, right? Not bad for a day's work. And so I'm going to be teaching that tomorrow. Go to the trading. I'm going to be teaching all kinds of different techniques and tricks. Check the link for the description. And so while you're doing that, though, I did want to also mention that I just took another trade. And so let's go ahead and look at that one. That was the Euro USD. And so when I closed out on one trade, I thought, well, let's see what else we got going on. Actually, one of my mentor students, we just did a coaching call today, and one of my mentor students said, hey, I took a short. You want to jump in? And I looked at the trade, and I was like, yes. So same kind of thing. On the Euro, we had a nice daily resistance because we have a downtrend here, and it just popped right up into this resistance here. And then we had on the 15-minute, we had the level that was tested, which was this level right here. It was tested, and we got a retrace, okay? And so I am currently in this trade, and I'm up around $400 on it. And I'm going to trade it the same way I traded the S&P 500. As the trade progresses, I'm going to close a few pieces along the way and then lock in profits, because we never know if a trade is going to continue or if it's going to reverse on us, so we want to try to get the profits that we can. And so right now I'm currently up $472. Again, that's not bad. $482, $492. It's not bad. $502. I'm just being silly right now. But yeah, I mean, I just made $50 in 10 seconds. But it's not bad. I just got into the trade about 15, 20 minutes ago, and I'm already at $532. So again, that's the power of trading. You can get in and you can get out really quick. I'm at $582 right now. And so I'm not probably, I'm going to pull out just a little bit here. Let's just go ahead and pull out a piece of this. So I'm going to close. I'm going to close part of it because I'm up $500 on the trade. So I'm going to just close 2 positions just to start taking profit. It doesn't hurt to take profit, right? And so I just went ahead and did that. So now instead of having 10 positions on, I've got 8. And as the trade progresses, I continue to take profits, and I will tighten my stop loss as well. But every time I take profits, my loss gets smaller and smaller if I did hit a loss. But you're going to learn all of that in tomorrow's training. So check the link in the description. I've made 2 trades. and they've been great. And not all the trades are this way. We win and we lose, but we have to have good money management, good trading mindset, realizing that the market's not a casino, that you actually have to do real work to make it. Those are the types of things that you have to going in. But what an opportunity to learn directly from me. I'm going to be teaching everything I know about how to grow an account quickly. So go ahead and check the link in the description. All right, we'll see you soon.